In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a class in Webflow. If you've ever assigned a style that you no longer need, or you're cleaning up your design system, removing a class from an element is quick, safe, and helps keep things tidy. First, head to your Webflow account and open your Sites area. This is your starting point for getting into any project you want to work on. From there, go to your main dashboard, where all your sites are listed. You'll see each project as a card with options to manage or open it. Next, choose the site you want to edit and click Open in Webflow. That launches the Designer, which is where we'll remove the class. Give it a moment to load your canvas and styles. Inside the Designer, click to highlight the element that currently has the class you want to take off. You can select it directly on the canvas. Just make sure you've got the exact element you intend to update. You'll know it's selected when you see its blue outline and its name in the top left label of the canvas. With the element selected, look to the right side of the screen in the Style panel. At the very top is the Class Selector field, showing the class name applied to this element. Open that class control and choose Remove Class. The class is now unassigned from this element, which means the element will immediately lose any styling that class was providing. If you're working with a combo class, removing the specific part you selected will only remove that portion and leave the base class intact. A few things to keep in mind as you do this. First, removing a class from an element does not instantly delete it from your entire project. It simply unassigns it from this one element. If that class isn't used anywhere else, Webflow will treat it as unused, and it can eventually be cleared from your project's styles. Second, be prepared for visual changes on the canvas. If the class controlled layout, spacing, color, or typography, those styles will disappear when the class is removed. That's expected, and it's a good idea to review the element after removal to confirm the result looks right. And third, if you change your mind, you can undo immediately. That's it. You navigated to your project, opened it in the Designer, selected the element, and removed the class from it. This simple cleanup step helps keep your styling lean and your